Hello guys, I'm Jain Ji. This is our channel Jain Social. The impact of COVID-19 is not yet over. When it emerged, many countries has introduced lockdown followed by traveling restrictions. So international travel was hit very hard. So the tourism sector as well as the health related tourism sector also hit very hard. Then few of the companies also introduced work from home. So the countries whenever try to recover their economy, meanwhile they also fight against COVID-2 virus. The new variant of SARS-CoV-2 virus also hit hard, particularly the UK. Then new variant from Brazil, Africa also emerged. So the fear and the tension against the COVID-19 also increased over a period. Recent time, the number of positive cases detected in India also increases, particularly 8 states, for instance, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, Gujarat. So now the government also thinking over the restrictions. So now you may have a question that do we want to go back again from the beginning and to fight against the SARS-CoV-2 virus? So in order to avoid such kind of very stringent international lockdown, the countries also think over that vaccine passport. So through this vaccine passport, the people, those who are protected against SARS-CoV-2 virus also certified. By using these certificates, they can make hassle-free international travel. So through the way, the countries are trying to recover their economy much faster compared to ordinary recovery. This vaccine certificate is accessed through common app or from website whenever the person making international travel, wherever the checking is needed. Israel is the first country has provided vaccine certificate to its population at international level. It has provided vaccine certificate on February 2021. So those who have these certificates have some added benefits from the government, and also they can attend some of the events specified by the government. International Air Transport Association, which has provided app IATA Travel Pass. Through that, the person's vaccine certificate is accessed whenever the person make international travel. Then Common Pass is an app provided by non-profit travel project which uses this app to access the vaccine certificate of its traveler and decide whether this person has COVID-19 disease or not. Based on that, the travel restrictions further may be provided or will be allowed. The vaccine passport is not a new version. It is just a modified version of vaccine certificate. Earlier, some of the countries also have vaccine certificate whenever the international traveler try to come to their countries. For instance, when a person from African region make a travel to India or US, they have to provide vaccine certificate against some of the diseases. For instance, against yellow fever. So these fevers is a virus fever which is spread particularly in the African region because of the impact of more number of mosquitoes. So these virus diseases, in order to spread in those host countries, these countries before making travel, these passengers, they are compulsory to provide certificate against these diseases. If they don't have these diseases, only they allowed to make a travel. So the vaccine certificate is also exist earlier before the COVID-19 pandemic against few of the diseases in few countries. Now China also introduced vaccine passport. Without vaccine passport, as we all know, there is a multi-level restrictions for the traveler. For instance, when a person make a travel to another country, when he reach another country, he has to be self-quarantined for 14 days. During the time, the accommodation charges, again the food charges, additionally their time as well as more spending on the travel also increases. Because all countries has a fear that when a person make international travel, the new variant of coronavirus may come to their home country. China also introduced vaccine passport in recent time. At the same time, the World Health Organization has raised concerns against the vaccine passport because the vaccine immunity, how long it will be stable in a person and how long it will protect that person against SARS-CoV-2 virus, that at all not clear yet. Now many developed countries, for instance Canada, UK, USA and Australia has more number of vaccine than their population. At the same time, the poor countries not at all received, few of the countries, the vaccine. So the question is whether every people have the equal opportunity and equitable chance of getting the vaccine as of now. So if developed countries started to provide the vaccine certificate, then it will benefit only the developed countries. But at the same time, the poor countries not at all vaccinated their population, so there is no chance for them to get vaccine certificate. So their international travel will be restricted very hardly. As a result of that, their economy revival will take more time. But at the same time, the developed countries' economy will revive much faster. So it will increase the gap between the poor and rich countries. So WHO informed to Israel that the vaccine certificate should not be mandate. It may be the optional. Then again, the privacy of persons will be affected because the vaccine certificate is accessed through different apps. So the institutions which are using this vaccine certificate have the chance of tracking the persons wherever they are moving. So it may be misused against that person. Okay friends, what do you think about this video? Do you think that the vaccine certificate or vaccine passport will increase the hassle-free travel? As a result of that, every country's economy will revive much faster? Or else there is a concern that it will increase the gap between rich and poor countries. So the poor countries definitely struggle hard to recover their economy. Give your opinion in our comment section. We shall meet again in our next session. Until then, take care. Love you all. Bye bye.